aremeyaw anas case ewo court na Kwasi Nyantakyi obi a Ghana football no na ye nyina ye boss no a de Ghana ekokọ places ko bobo match ne ade a enya asem ketwa na anas release number 8 ana meboa video no already release 2018 no number 12 release number 12 na report no munsem kire say Kwasi Nyantakyi ejejeje bribe na ema Ghana football no enko nanim enu gina so ma che say ne contract ne football sensem nyina aba fom ya gida firimu kura onka ho na asem no mu nkire mu no ebeto ho no mo kire say eya brantie bi a ye fe no amasuale ene na ewose nkoko court na nkoko testify no mane ade ana fofia ntwata ene ono okoye ana nas aremeyaw agitu say ono begina ho na wagina mu di amana damfo na okọ na pepeyo aba we na court ayitu krata aba abonten say anas aremeyaw betimi aba na oba begina mu amana damfo atesify ne ade but oba ontimi mfa kakai ni nhye nanim mba oba onyine kakai mfiri nanim ne mask na ode kata nanim no court say onyimfi nanim anas aremeyaw lawyers nso krata aba abonten omo kire say omo tiase kane no say obetena camera mu obi a obi na testify ana say obeba court na ne mask hye ne en ntiase ye adwuma saa nti sansem no omo de aba abonten omo montungu because omo no omo ni adwene omo no omo nya adwene baako omo de omo bombe kata omanim say de bi omo de omo de kata omanim saa no omo beye na opa onye because en adamfo na na ebeye ana wowu ana sisi yeso ono na embra me this wamba enye ntokwa oba nso a ono ana sembet se obeyi ne camera ana se ne kaka na firi nanim pa de ene eda ya de a odi be nanim na aba court the court pu so ompu eno ana obeye na odi aba yan kan krata anas aremeyaw anas ne nkofo edi ba abonten ne lawyer etroye edi ba abonten no Vatinyakopo asewo galo na before that no ye hwe de court edi ba ya no wo kire se anas aremeyaw obetimi aba court a gese oyi ne kaka no efiri nadim ansan watimi abegina court ho na so ono akro kokro obetimi ama different face wo be de hu se ono egina ho ono obetimi ma different face tie no de me ye sure se obetimi kura ma different face. Breaking news and say Supreme Court a order anas aremeyaw anas say ombra court nso and the face mask nation onyimfiri nanim no ombra court we every Supreme Court ene baye na omo kire ewo monkase mu say journalist a efe na anas aremeyaw no ontimi emba court ho ewo abra ni face mask no ehye no so ode ba testify there be onyimfamra ni pensu na dwuma oye undercover journalist no oye a woni nkofo ewo beef akese pa because of adwuma odinti enti so be nanim say ekimu a ene na asem na asie target kese pa ne sa no ayedin because nkofo a unua ane o maye adwuma anaso watete o moto no edoso yie enti obeyi nanim a ede nsem bibide beba na eye ruling ya eba abontin Tuesday anopa ana eya court ede beto abontin say so wanfa mask na anyi wanya mfi nanim no ama ontimi be testify ewo court ho against former Ghana FA president no na omo kire say anas no ene say obetima testify ewo camera si ne so na oye ne testify no but say mask be hye ne pa de eno de kay omo ye kokon na omo kire say oba be piem ewo high court number 2 criminal division eho no ba be piem na oba testify ewo camera mu atia eye Kwasi Nyantakyi wa bra ne camera en ne events ne kakai no enhye nanim na ɔde aba abɛyɛ saa deɛ no ɛde atia Kwesi Nyantakyi with ne evidence a ɔwɔ ne nyinaa no ɔde abɛgu hɔ. Wei na Anas lawyer so ti no mu ne ɔsi kum masa ɛde asɛm na mo so mo keken. Obi a ɔno ɛyɛ undercover journalist a wayɛ akyɛ. Ɛyɛ den na afɛ deɛ mo bɛyɛ saa deɛ yɛntie press release a ɛyɛ Anas aremeyaw ɛde bae ɔsɛ in reference Republic versus Kwesi Nyantakyi and another. We are lawyers for the celebrated undercover investigative journalist Anas aremeyaw Anas. Our attention has been drawn to development in the ongoing criminal trial of the former head of the Ghana Football Association, Kwesi Nyantakyi, who is standing trial for corruption and fraud over the number 12 investigative report aired in 2018. The documentary uncovered football-related corruption in Ghana and other African countries. The criminal proceedings were instituted following Anas' petition filed with the Attorney General. The star witness for the Republic, Ahmed Suale, who was one of the investigative journalists in respect of the documentary, was murdered in Medina, Accra, weeks before his testimony could be taken. Anas aremeyaw agreed to testify in the state of Ahmed Suale on condition that he be allowed to do so in camera or in chambers. Yes, or no, and one what yes, or obey dear. Yes, obey no camera, yes, so better baby or one way, on back or to cry with Martin Hawaii, and I say chambers, baby. The public should disregard false reportage that Anas has been ordered by Supreme Court or is being compelled by the Supreme Court to appear in court without his trademark face beard. Anas may choose to testify as a prosecution witness or not. Anas and his Tiger Eye team will continue to wear the ionic face beads as a symbol of impartial anonymity in investigative journalists and to highlight the extreme risk in the line of duty. Comrade Gray LLP 8 November ya and wade kratai ebae. Enti Anas aremeyaw Anas ne lawyer say enya de obeti ase ama papa no eyi ne kakai na fi nanim na opa obeye opa onye nipa ewo so obeye no ene wawu a okuri minimu adwenkyere ewo so oyi Anas ni kwan se oyi ewo so okọ Anas ni kwan so okọ enti ase e kọ kane no so obetena kamera mu aye no onye ne saa Anas ma ne nye chambers so obetima akwhye wono aye no onye ne saa na ma ne nye Anas san ya abai se onkoyi ne kakai no mbegina court wo no onye no onko anama ne nko no de obetimi de wadwenkyere aba